Welcome to our upper body stretch for flexibility and mobility. Let's begin an easy pose with your left leg in front. If this is uncomfortable, you can place a block or a folded blanket under your glutes or sit on a chair. Now place your right hand to the mat and reach your left arm to the right, side stretch. Place your left hand to your head, lift your gaze, and exhale, rotate the elbow towards the mat. Again, inhale, open, lift the gaze, and exhale down. Once more, inhale, open, and exhale down. Inhale, open. Exhale, extend your arm. Inhale to straight. And exhale, twist to the right. Left hand to your right thigh. Now inhale, reach your right arm over to the left. And exhale, place your right hand to your left shoulder and left to your right, giving yourself a big hug. You can stay here or take it further by coming into eagle arms, placing your left fingers into your right hand. Unwind. Switch the crossing of your legs. And other side. Ground your left hand and stretch the right arm over to the left, keeping length in both sides of your body. Place your hand to your head. Inhale, lift your gaze. And exhale, rotate the elbow down. Twice more. Inhale, open, lift the gaze. And exhale down. Once more. Inhale, open. And exhale down. Inhale, open. Exhale, extend your arm. Inhale to straight. And exhale, twist to the left. Now inhale, stretch your left arm over to the right. And exhale, place your left hand to your right shoulder and right hand to your left, giving yourself a big hug. Again, stay here or come into eagle arms. Unwind and make your way onto all fours, tabletop position. Here we're going to float through some cat-cow waves, so shift forward, to the side, back, and forward while you add gentle movements with your spine in any way that feels good for you. Let's do 3 more in this direction. And switch sides, 5 circles. Make this movement your own and take it as an opportunity to listen into your body. Beautiful, release. And walk your hands forward for melting heart pose, keeping your hips stacked over your knees. If it doesn't feel right today, let your glutes sink to your feet for an extended child's pose. This is your practice, so make it your own. Gently release and come onto your belly. Then thread your left arm through towards the right side and place your right hand underneath your forehead. Maybe extend your arm back by your side or cross it in front of your left so you come into a deep crisscross stretch. Just hold it there and breathe. To release, roll onto your left side, bend your knees, bring your palms to touch. And with your next inhalation, circle your right arm over to the right as you come onto your back, spinal twist. And exhale, return to your left side, palms to touch. 2 more. Inhale, circle into the twist. And exhale back. 1 more time, inhale, spinal twist. And exhale onto your left. Return to your belly. And carefully thread your right arm through, placing your left hand underneath your forehead. Extend the arm back or cross it in front of your right for a crisscross stretch. Breathe deeply and try to relax your upper body and your neck. To release, shift onto your right, bend your knees, and bring your palms to touch. Take a deep inhalation as you circle your left arm over to the left, coming onto your back, spinal twist, and return to your right, palms together. 2 more. Inhale, spinal twist, and exhale back. Once more, inhale, twist, and exhale, palms together. Come back onto your belly and sit back into child's pose, finding any variation with your arms. Slowly roll up into Thunderbolt and interlace your hands behind your back, broadening through your chest as you lift your gaze. And back to neutral spine. Take your hands to your right hip and tilt your head to the right to feel a nice stretch in your left side. Gently release and move your left hand up your spine, back of the hand on your back. Then reach your right arm up and try to bring your fingers to touch. You can also use a yoga strap, a belt, a towel, or something like that to close the gap between your hands. If you want to add the legs for a full cow face pose, release the hands for a moment and shift onto your left glute, stacking the right knee over your left and adding the arms, left hand on your back, right arm up. Unwind and return to Thunderbolt. Interlace your hands behind your back. Bring them to your left hip and carefully tilt your head to the left side. Gently release and move your right hand up your spine. Then reach your left arm up and try to connect your fingers. Again, holding onto something, even your shirt, can make it a bit easier. Stay here if you like, or give full cow face pose a try by shifting onto your right glute, stacking the left knee over your right, and move the arms into position. Left arm up, right arm down. Unwind. Come onto your glutes. Ground your hands behind you and shine your heart open towards the sky. Maybe lift your gaze. And release onto your back into our final pose, Savasana. If you like, you can use a blanket to stay warm here. And once you're ready, allow your toes to sink open. Rest your arms and turn your palms up to the sky. Soften your gaze. Maybe close your eyes and turn your awareness inward. Take long, deep breaths, and with each exhalation, sink a bit deeper into the mat, tapping into a state of complete relaxation. You can stay here for as long as you wish. If you'd like to finish your practice with me, invite some gentle movements into your body. Stretch your arms over your head if you like. And make your way into a seated position. Inhale as you reach your arms high, palms to touch. And exhale, hands to heart center. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you feel more relaxed now, and I wish you a beautiful day. Bye!